Hello friends, welcome to Raj Solution. Today I will describe the LIFO method of inventory control or store ledger account. But before going to discussion, I want to say please subscribe our channel and press the bell button to all for never miss another update. Also like and share with your friends. So friends, today our topic is LIFO of store ledger account. LIFO, that means last in first out. So friends, for your help I will solve the same question which I have solved in previous video in FIFO method. Same question I will solve in different method, that is LIFO. So from that you will justify where is the difference between two methods. So that's why I am solving the same question in LIFO method which I have solved previously in FIFO method. So friends, question is same. As usual, I have to solve the question in LIFO method at 31st March 2011. As usual, the same entry is here. Now I will see how will be the entry. So friends, as usual, this is the format, and in the top here will be calculation of store ledger account, bracket under LIFO method, LIFO, that is last in first out, on 31st March 2019. So friends, according to our question, we have an opening stock of 400 kg, which per kg rate is 100. So that means, as usual, in the date of March 1, that is 1st March 2019, opening stock is 400 kg. That means this entry will go to in the balance column. That means 400 per kg rate is 100. Total amount will be 40,000. In the next entry, there is a newly purchased of material. Amount 2000 kg and per kg rate is 140. So as usual, newly purchased material will go to the receipt column. In the date 4th March, amount is 2000 kg, per kg rate is 140. Total amount will be 2,80,000. So my final total balance is previously 400, per kg rate is 100, total amount 40,000. This is the first stock, and newly I have purchased another 2000 unit, per kg rate of 140, that is 2,140 per kg. Total amount is 2,80,000. So friends, our next entry is issue of material. Issue of material 1600 unit in the date of 8th March 2019. I have issued 1600 unit. So that will go to in the issue column, that is 1600, 1600. So friends, here is the difference with FIFO method. In FIFO method, I have issued first from the first lot. In our present stock, this is the first lot and this is the second lot. In FIFO method, I have issued the amount from the first lot, then second lot. But it is not FIFO, it is LIFO. Full form, last in, first out. That means in my stock, the last in entry is 2000, which I have newly purchased. So that will be issued in first. So friends, 2000 unit, from 2000 unit I have to issue 1600 units, and its per kg rate is 140 per kg. So that will be 140 per kg. Total amount will be 2,24,000. So friends, after issuing, my present stock is 400 is present. That is old stock. And from 2000 I have issued 1600 units. So there is rest of part is present. That is another 400 is present, per kg rate of 140. Total amount will be 56,000. Our next entry is purchase of material 1000 unit, that means 1000 kg, per kg rate is 160 in the date of 15th March. So friends, in the date of 15th March, I have purchased another 1000 kg material, per kg rate of 160. So 15/3/2019, I have purchased, that means that will go to the receipt column. That is 1000 unit, that is 1000 kg, per kg rate is 160. Total amount will be 1,60,000. So my present stock will be previously present first stock, that is 400, 100 per kg, 40,000. Next second stock 400, 140 per kg, 56,000. And I have newly purchased another 1000 units, per kg rate of 160. So that will go to the stock, that is 1000 unit, per kg rate of 160, and total amount is 1,60,000. Our next entry is in the date of 24th March, issue of material 200. That means 24th March, I have issued another 200 unit from the stock. So that will go to the issue column, 200 unit. So friends, I have issued 200 unit. This 200 unit will be issued from the last lot. That means in my stock, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. If that means if it's LIFO, not FIFO. For FIFO, this issue entry will go from the first lot, but this is LIFO. That's why this issued part will go from the last unit, last lot. That is from the 1000 unit, 1000 kg. So that's per kg unit, per kg price is 160. So total amount will be 32,000. So my present stock is firstly present 400, 100 per kg, 40,000. Secondly present another 400, 140 per kg, 56,000. And thirdly, from 1000 unit I have issued 200. So rest part is another 800 unit, per kg rate is 160. Total amount will be 1,28,000. Our next entry is in the date 26th March, purchase of material 300 kg, per kg rate is 150. Date 26th March, 300, another newly 300 unit I have purchased, that is 300, 180 per kg price. So total amount will be 54,000. So this will go to the balance. $40,000. Next second lot 400 present, that is 140 per kg, 56,000. Third lot 800 present, 160 per kg, total price 1,28,000. And newly I have purchased another 3,000 kg, 300 kg, per kg rate is 180. That means 300, 180 per kg, total amount is 54,000. Friends, our last entry is issue of material in the date of 28th March. 28th March, I have issued another 360 kg. Friends, in the date of 28th March, I have issued another 360 kg. So that will go to the issue column, 360. So this issuing unit will go from the last unit, and rest of part will go from the third unit, because this is the first stock, this is the second stock, this is the third stock, and this is the fourth stock. So this is LIFO, that means last in first out. So in my stock last in is 300. So from 300 total unit will go, that is 300, per kg rate is 180, total amount will be 54,000. Rest of 60 unit will go from the third lot, that is 800 unit, that means 60. Third lot price is 160 per kg, total amount will be 9,600. So friends, in my stock now my total balance is previously present from first lot 400, 100 per kg, 40,000 price. Next second present 400, 140 per kg, 56,000. And friends, from 800 I have issued 60 unit. So rest of part is 740 unit, per kg rate is 160. So total amount will be 1,18,400. So this is the total strength of present stock on 31st March 2019. So friends, this is the difference between FIFO process and LIFO process of stored ledger account. Friends who are not able to see the FIFO method, it is available on the description of this video. Friends, thanks for today.